All right, welcome back here. It's been a little while in the off season right now for whitetails. It is March 12th. Couldn't tell by looking outside. Gotta love Indiana weather. We got another 3 inches of snow last night, but gonna try something a little bit different today. Pulling up to my parents' house here now. We're gonna go to a little shooting preserve just south of town here. We do a little put and take pheasant hunt today. Gonna see what we can do. Haven't had my shotgun out in well over a year, so a little rusty. This could be a little bit of an ugly day. We'll see what we can do. Hopefully I don't make a fool of myself. So here we go. I know. Good boy. Come here, Dustin. Heel, 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 heel. Sit, 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 sit. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Good dog. All right, just chill for a minute. Take a breath. Take a breath. Take a breath. Good boy. Look at this. Good job. Dead bird. Oh, I see him. Hit that limb twice. Good boy, Dusty. Good boy. Come here, bud. Come here. Heel. 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 Come here. Come here. Heel. Got two. You got one up here, bud? Oh boy. Come here, bud. Heel up. Come here. Hey, where you going? Come here, heel. Dusty, heel. Hey, my bird. On. Make sure I got one loaded. I'm gonna smoke this bird out of the tree real quick.
I told you he was here.
That one might be a pot pie bird.
You shoot for the head.
No, I just aim for the body.
One right in between us on the ground. Going up to the woods. You got the dog? I see him. Dust! Dusty! Dusty! Dead bird! Dust! Come here! Come here! He's dead right in front of me. He's down right in front of me. I'm just trying to get the dog to find him.
That's a long shot.
Yeah.
That's a long shot. I hit him twice.
I'm tired of running.
I hit him 2 times.
I'm tired of running.
Oh, there he is.
He's right here.
Dead bird.
Dusty, dead bird. Dead bird. Find him.
Dead bird.
Dead bird. He would not fly and he would not leave this thicket.
Oh, he went that way, then he came out, then he saw the opening, then he went back under the brush. Dusty, come down. Dead bird.
Hunt him up, bud. Dead bird. Good boy.
Dead bird.
Good boy.
Ah, boy.
All right, later in the evening here, had a fun day today. Just got way too busy cleaning birds as soon as we were done. I didn't have a chance to do a closing interview earlier and out in the field. So did pretty well overall. Paid for 10, ended up bringing home 11 birds between Dad and I. So we had a good day. I don't know if it was the weather or what was going on, just if they were pen-raised birds from a weird spot or whatever, but they did not want to fly. We only saw a couple birds in the air all day. The dogs were on them. They were running them left and right, but the birds just refused to get up and move. So had to do a few ground shoots and take a few out of the trees. Kind of a weird day, not exactly what we're looking for, but $27 a bird. I'm not going home empty-handed. So it was a fun day. Glad we got to do it. Probably the last time we're going to be able to this year. So hopefully in the next week or two, I'll be able to get back up to the farm and see if we can do a shed hunt or two, at least wander around and pretend to look for some antlers. And then it's going to be time to get ready for turkey season. So springtime's coming quick. Anyway, thanks for watching.